Let's show you what the BJP's initial outlook as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned. And these are conservative estimates, ladies and gentlemen. But I want to break down the figures for you. The BJP in this election 6 months from now in Tamil Nadu is aiming for between 5 to 10 assembly seats in these elections. Remember, they don't have any seats at this point of time. Aggressive campaigning is being planned in Tamil Nadu. The BJP feels the momentum after Bihar and it wants to keep the momentum going. And that's the reason why the party is on a massive recruitment spree since 2014. They've been, receiving contemptuous remarks from the Dravidian parties, but the BJP believes it is actually starting a grassroots level political sort of beginning in Tamil Nadu. Tamil actor Khushbu Sundar, remember, jumped from the Congress to the BJP recently. The BJP has been criticized for not having a prominent face in the state just yet, but the fact is that they believe they are doing work at the grassroots level. They want, this is what the mission is largely going to look like. Of course, Prime Minister Modi will get involved at some point of time. Tomorrow Amit Shah is there. Consolidate the Hindu vote in the Dravidian heartland. That's the reason why they've got the Vetrivel Yatra that's going on in Tamil Nadu right now. The Rajinikanth factor is something that the BJP has been chasing for many years now. Can they get Talaivar to ally with the BJP or endorse it in some way? He's been very vague with it. The superstar actor might make some kind of announcement next month, but nobody, believe me, nobody's holding their breath about it. Can he somehow, can Amit Shah in some way or the other ensure stitching of a tie-up with Karunanidhi's son, Azhagiri, who was kicked out of the DMK in 2014? Could this mean that the BJP is looking to make some gains in Madurai area? Could the BJP forge some key alliances to ensure the support of different castes? Because sadly, the caste reality is there in Tamil Nadu politics and the BJP will not be able to overlook it. Now let's look at the top faces of the BJP. Most people don't even know what the BJP looks like in Tamil Nadu. So let's tell you who the main characters of the BJP are. These are the guys who will be guiding Amit Shah when he arrives tomorrow. L. Murugan is the Tamil Nadu state president of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Then you have Khushbu Sundar, who recently jumped ship from the Congress to the BJP. She was earlier even with the DMK, so she is well versed with state politics. You also have leaders like K. Annamalai, who is the vice president of the BJP, a man on the ground, a guy who gets things done. Very, very active in there, over there. C.P. Radhakrishnan is another BJP leader who is a mover and shaker, very much part of the BJP machinery on the ground at this point of time. Okay, we've got...
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.